Friends, today we have solved the unsolved problem which are given in the textbook. The problem is given in the question number 18. In that, common base current gain is given, that is 0.967, and collector current, that is IE, is equal to emitter current, that is IE, is equal to 10 to the power 10 milliampere, is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, and we should find out the base current. We know that the common base current gain is equal to IC upon IE. From this we should find out, that is common base current gain, that is 0.967 equal to IC, that we can find out here IC, and IE, that is 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. That IC is equal to 0.967 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. This 10 to the power 1 is multiplied to 0.9. At that time, this decimal shifted to the right side. That means we should write here 9.67 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. This is the collector current. Now we should find out the base current. We know that the emitter current is the addition of base current and the collector current, and from this base, here we should find out that IB, that is base current, that IB is equal to IE minus IC. And what is the value of IE? IE is a value 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. That means we should write here 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus 9.67 into 10 to the power minus 3. This minus 3 taken common, and we should only subtraction between 10.0 into 9.67. That means 10.0 minus 9.67. That means here we should take a subtraction. 10 minus 7, that is 3. 10 minus 4, that is 6. 10 minus 7, that is 3. And again 10 minus 10, 0, that is 0.33. That is the base current, and it's should having a common multiple, that is 10 to the power minus 3. So we should add 0.33 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. That means we should write here that base current, that is IB, is equal to 0.33 milliampere. This is the answer. That is the base current. If we can see the next problem, that is problem number 19. In that, the emitter current is given, that is 10 milliampere, and we should convert that milliampere into 10 to the power minus 3. Collector current, that is 9.8 milliampere, is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Here we can find out that base current. If we know that the collector emitter current, it is the addition of, that is IB plus IC, that IB is equal to, we can find out here, that means we should say that IB is equal to, that is IC is nothing but the IE. How much IE is 10. 10 into 10 to the power minus 3, and minus IC is how much? This IC is equal to 10, here we should write here 9.8 million, 9.8 10 to the power minus 3. From that we can write here 10 IC is IE is equal to IB plus IC. We should find out here IB. IB is equal to IE. IE is 10 into 10 to the power minus 3, and after that IC. That IC is nothing but the 9.8 into 10 to the power minus 3. And from that, if we should take a subtraction, 10.0, 9.8 is the subtraction. This 10 to the power minus 3 is the common term, and that from that is 10 minus 8 2, and 10 minus 10 0, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. And we can say that this 10 to the power 3 is nothing but the milliampere, and from that we should write 2 milliampere is the base current. This is the answer. If we can see the next problem, that is 20 problem, in that the emitter current is given 6.28 milliampere, that is 6.28 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Again, the collector current, that is IC, is equal to 6.20 milliampere, that is 6.20 into 10 to the power minus 3. And here we should find out the common base current gain, that is alpha DC, is equal to what? We know that the formula for that is alpha DC is equal to ratio of collector current to the emitter current, that is IC upon IE. That IC is how much? It is equal to 6.20 into 10 to the power minus 3 and upon 6.28 into 10 to the power minus 3. This minus 3 cancel, and this calculation we can solve by the using log table. If we can see in the log table, its value in that log table is given. If there is the division, then there is the subtraction. Again, the characteristic is decimal is after one digit, so characteristic is 0. And when we can see 16 in the 0, at that time its value is 7924. Again, when we can see that this, there is the division, then there is the subtraction. The characteristic is 0 and 62 in 8, its value is 7980. When we should take a subtraction, that is 4 minus 0, that is 14 minus 4 minus 0, we should write here 4. Again 12 minus 8, that means we should get here 12 minus 8 means 4 here. Again here 10. 19 minus 10 is 9. Again here 1, that means 17 minus 8, that is 9, and here 1, and this one has a minus sign, that is bar 1.9944. Again, if when we can see the antilog of this after the decimal, at that time we should get 99 in 44, that is 9872, and this term before the decimal it converts into 10 to the power, and so we should write 10 to the power minus 1 and keep decimal after one digit, that is 9.872 into 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power minus 1, this decimal shifted to the left side, and from we should write that is 0.9872, and this is the, that is common base current alpha DC, and it is the ratio of same physical quantity, so it is a pure number, that is common base current gain alpha DC is equal to 0.9872. Thank you.